Here I have HTC U11 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So you can adjust priority only allows, so basically this is just exceptions for this mode. You can add like reminders, events, messages, calls to exceptions. You can also block visual disturbances, like you can block when screen is on, you can block when screen is off, like you can just disable notifications from popping up. And you can also enable automatic rules, which is basically just a schedule which you can set up, like you can select days, start time, end time, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.